Hey, y'all. Have you ever just craved wide open spaces, fresh air, and those picture-perfect moments with your family under a sky full of stars? We did. Gracefully sustained, we've always been drawn to making old things new again, finding potential in unexpected places. And for us, that meant taking our family off-grid, trading in 4 walls for 4 wheels and a whole lot of adventure. Today we're opening the door to our camper life, showing you how to live off-grid comfortably and sustainably while making those family dreams a reality. Dreaming of total freedom, adventure, and family bonding. Today we're showing you how to live off-grid in a camper, comfortably and sustainably, while making your family's dreams come true. Now, living tiny in a camper might sound like a challenge, but trust me, it's all about getting creative. Just like when we're renovating a farmhouse, it's about seeing the potential in every nook and cranny. Think fold-down beds that transform into cozy reading nooks during the day. Picture storage hidden under benches where the kids kick off their muddy boots after a day of exploring. And multi-use furniture? Well, that's just essential. A table that becomes a desk, stools that double as extra seating when friends gather around the campfire. It's all about finding pieces with heart and a whole lot of function. Remember, it's not about how much space you have, but how you use it that makes a house a home, even one that moves. If you ask me, true freedom means unplugging from the everyday and plugging into something bigger. Something that lets you chase sunsets and wake up with the sunrise, no matter how far off the beaten path you roam. And that's where solar panels come in. They're like magic. They soak up the sun's energy, giving you the power to run your fridge, keep the lights twinkling at night, and even enjoy a family movie night under the stars, all without a noisy generator. Plus, it's good for the planet, and that's something we can all feel good about. For us, solar power isn't just about electricity, it's about fueling family adventures and showing our kids the beauty of sustainable living. Chapter 3. Water, water everywhere, simple systems for off-grid living. Now, water is precious, especially when you're living off-grid. But just like on the farm, where we rely on rainwater for our garden, we've learned to respect and conserve this essential resource. Think of it like a fun puzzle. We collect rainwater in barrels. It's amazing how those April showers add up. Then there's our trusty foot pump sink. The kids get a kick out of it, and it teaches them about using water wisely. And let's not forget composting. It's nature's way of recycling, turning kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil for our little camper garden. Every drop counts, and these simple systems make off-grid living sustainable and fulfilling. Chapter 4. Creating a camper haven cozy decor for family vibes. Just because you're living in a camper doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style and comfort. Remember, this is your home on wheels, and it should reflect your family's personality and love for adventure. Think cozy textures like soft blankets and throw pillows in colors that remind you of your favorite places. String lights add a touch of magic, casting a warm glow for those late-night card games. And don't be afraid to bring in a little greenery. A few hardy plants add life and freshness to your space. Remember, it's all about those little touches. A hand-painted sign, family photos strung along the walls that transform a camper into a true reflection of your family's heart. Chapter 5. Finding your rhythm, the real joys and quirks of off-grid family life. Let's be real, living off-grid with a family isn't always sunshine and perfect Instagram moments. There will be muddy pours, unexpected downpours, and maybe even a meltdown or two from the kids or the parents, but that's part of the adventure. The key is to find your rhythm, to embrace the unexpected, and to create those simple routines that bring a sense of normalcy to your days. Maybe it's morning coffee around the campfire, sharing what you're grateful for, or maybe it's those spontaneous hikes where the kids lead the way. It's about disconnecting from the hustle and truly connecting with each other, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Outro, go off-grid and find your family's adventure. Stepping into this camper life, it was like stepping into a new kind of freedom. We traded deadlines for dirt roads, to-do lists for stargazing. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it, because living off-grid in a camper isn't just a lifestyle, it's a family adventure, a journey towards simplicity, freedom, and those messy, beautiful, unforgettable memories. So what are you waiting for? Start small, dream big, go off the grid. Subscribe for more off-grid family living hacks. Watch next, 10 tiny living tips for big adventures. Thanks for traveling with us.